Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to have a crypto wallet that represent your name or business? In this video I'll show you to make custom wallet address on Solana blockchain. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the Solana Tools Suite. You have two options. Option 1. Go to the Solana documentation page on how to install the Solana Tools Suite, link in the description. Option 2. Just copy the command line from this video's description. Step 2. Open the command prompt as an administrator and paste and run the first command to download the installer. Step 3. Paste and run the second command to run the installer. Wait for the process, and when the installer is finished, press enter. Step 4. Close the command prompt window and reopen it to refresh your environment path. Step 5. Type Solana version to make sure the Solana installation is successful. Step 6. Type Solana keygen grind starts with and add your desired start name for your wallet. In this example, I use Alex. You can copy this command from the video description. Press enter and wait for the process. Step 7. Once Solana finds the desired wallet address, copy the wallet address and its extension. Type more and paste the wallet address, and press enter to show your private keys. You can copy this command from the description. Make sure nobody knows your private keys. Step 8. Copy the private key. Step 9. Open your cryptocurrency wallet application. In this video, I am using Phantom Wallet. To add a new wallet address, select Import Private Key and follow the steps to complete the process. Now you have a cryptocurrency wallet with your name in it. Thank you.